Okay, so this is one of my favorite pups I walk. This is Kevin. And one of his favorite things is to go up to the park and roll in the grass. So he has been rolling mass. We got to find a new spot to roll. He's rolled all that onto him. Hey, no poop, just pee. There we go. There's the roll. Oh, Kev, you're the best. Hey, stay close. As he's hunting down his next roll. You find somewhere to roll? Over here? Where are you gonna roll? You find somebody over here? Kevy, say hi. I was kind of hoping we'd get in a lot of roll. I guess he rolled himself out. He was rolling around a long time before I started filming. Okay, stop.